Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use SpaceX. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Bitcoin using Green Bitcoin Wallet. First, launch the Green Bitcoin Wallet application on your device and log in into your wallet. On the home screen, tap on the Send button, which is usually represented by the arrow. You can either tap on the Scan QR code option or manually enter the address. Paste the recipient Bitcoin address in the address field. After that, input the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin or fiat currency. After that, select the fee level for your transaction. Higher the fee, the faster the transaction will be. After that, double check the recipient address, the amount you are sending and the transaction fee. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Now tap on Send to initiate the transaction. Depending on your security settings, you may need to enter your two-factor authentication code or confirm the transaction using multi-stag if enabled. Once the transaction is sent, you will see it appear in your transaction history. The recipient should receive the Bitcoin once it is confirmed on the blockchain. So that is how you can send Bitcoin using Green Bitcoin Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.